Hi there! So today I want to properly contour my jawline and also try that highlighting trick that we probably all seen on TikTok, the one that Bella Hadid wore. I'm going to insert her picture here. She has that beautiful highlight going on here. And I was thinking how I never invest the time to properly contour my jawline. And to be honest with you, I think it's one of my favorite features about myself. I do love how sharp my jawline is and the fact that it's quite square here. So today I want to really try to emphasize that and also try the highlighting trick. And by the way, in a video like back, I think like a year before, someone told me that I look like Timothée Chalamet. At that time, I had absolutely no idea who he was. So I googled and I was like, nice jawline. Like that's basically the first thing you notice when you look at him. It's pretty funny to me because he has those deep set eyes and also they're pretty close to the nose and he has the prominent jawline. So like yeah, I can kind of see it in a way, but it's a huge compliment because he's very handsome. Okay, let's contour this jawline and get the most out of it. I'm going to use some contour powder today. This is the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. I'm mainly going to use this shade here, and I actually think I'm only going to use this shade here because it's a cool tone and it kind of resembles shadow, and that's what we want. We want a realistic shadowy contour. Like I already have a very prominent jawline, but what I want to do is really emphasize that. And how you can do that is by applying shadow right underneath here. So I want this area to be highlighted and this area underneath it to be shadowed, to kind of push it backwards visually. How you can do that is by doing like a double chin and really contouring this side here. Or if you have already prominent jawline like I do, you can just start at the edge here and just drag the contour downwards. You basically want a shadow on this entire area where your usually like your double chin is, right here. You want to push this backwards. I already know where that is for me, so I don't have to make that face. But like if you want to, you can just do that and just contour this double chin. And bringing it downwards again to create kind of like a shadow effect. And here you want to create the same look depending on the shape that you want to do. I want to emphasize this little edge here. I like how it kind of goes square like that. So I want to emphasize that. So again, imagine that this area is highlighted and contour the rest of it. And again, I'm going to bring it downwards. And what I will also do, I will emphasize this hollow here. If you looked at Timothée Chalamet's jawlines, for example, he has the very prominent outer part of the jawline like that, and then it kind of goes like that almost. Like it almost has like a hollow here, and then he has a very sharp chin. I'm just going to bring it up a little bit like that, so to create a little bit of hollow here. So I want to push this particular area a little bit backwards. For a lot of people, you also get like a fat pocket here. So if you want to hide that, you just contour it and just drag the contour down. I also saw TikTok where a girl kind of contoured, like did a line of contour here and then highlighted here. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to jump straight to highlighting. I'm going to use my NYX Born to Glow palette and pick this shade here. So I guess I'm just going to highlight from here to here, basically my entire jawline. This is something that I never try to do, but like it makes sense, you know? I think I might like it. And I'm also going to bring it here to highlight this kind of a square here. Is that visible? Like I need to look from the side because like from this angle I cannot see it. Oh, I can kind of see it like that. Okay, that's beautiful. Like, wow, that looks so attractive. I actually love that, and I will for sure keep doing it. Maybe with a more subtle highlight though, because this one kind of looks like very obvious that it's there, you know? But like with my e.l.f. baked highlighter, going to try that next time. Then I sometimes love these makeup trends, like makes you discover things that work for yourself. Like not everything will work for everyone, but like when you discover a thing that works for you and you incorporate it in your daily routine, I feel like that's amazing. And me and my jawline really love this hack. And that's it for today's video. Let me know what you think. And if you tried this, or if you would try it, let me know. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!